Anytime we multiply two variables or two numbers with the same base, we're supposed to keep the base and add exponents. So in this case, my base is x. X will stay the same according to the general formula, okay? And we're supposed to add exponents. That's why I'm going to have 2 plus 3. My answer is equal x to the 5th power, because 2 plus 3 is 5. Let's take a look at another example. I have b to the 6th power times b to the 12th power. Again, I have the same base. My base is b. Base stays the same, b. Anytime I have multiplication, I'm supposed to add exponents. I have 6 plus 12. So b is going to have power 6 plus 12 is 18. Okay, so this is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look over here. We have base, which is x plus 1, x plus 1. So in this case, base again stays the same, x plus 1, and we're supposed to add exponents, 2 plus 7. Okay, so let me rewrite this answer one more time. I'm going to have x plus 1 and 2 plus 7 is 9. This is the solution to my problem.